Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to master Krisp AI in 2026. Whether you're using it for online meetings, remote work, content creation, or everyday voice calls, this guide will help you get the most out of its features step by step. First, sign in to your Krisp AI account and make sure you're using the latest version of the desktop application. Keeping the app updated gives you access to the newest features, performance improvements, and bug fixes. Next, configure your microphone and speakers correctly inside the Krisp AI settings. Enable noise cancellation for your microphone, and if it's available on your plan, turn on speaker noise cancellation as well. Now connect Krisp AI with your favorite communication apps, such as Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Discord, or other supported platforms. Select Krisp microphone as your input device and Krisp speaker as your output device when needed. Take advantage of Krisp's AI-powered features, including meeting recordings, transcriptions, and summaries if they're included with your plan. These tools can save time and make it easier to review important conversations. Before important meetings or recordings, perform a quick audio test to ensure your microphone, speakers, and Krisp settings are working properly. Finally, review your settings regularly, keep the app updated, and explore new features as they become available to get the best possible experience. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to master Krisp AI step by step. You're now ready to enjoy clearer audio and more productive meetings. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.